Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Vegancuts beauty subscription. I was gonna say box, but as I've noted before, they just stuff mine in with our snack box that we get, so it comes in a little pouch instead of a box. Looks like we're getting 4 items today, and here is the card with the little goat on it. It says this box supports Chandra and friends at Juliana's Animal Sanctuary in Colombia, South America. So I don't have much battery and I don't have much sunlight left, so let's go ahead and get started. The first item we've got in here is Chicky Botanica Serene Serum. So this is a $56 value. Key ingredients include blue tansy with its healing benefits and lapis lazuli gem essence used for releasing stress and bringing peace. Apply this calming facial serum to restore and regenerate skin. Gently massage into cleansed toned skin morning and night. So at $56, this value-wise is the bulk of the subscription, and I did read through this when I first got it, and I kind of dug through the snack box to get a little snack out, and it does have at the end of the ingredient list rose, geranium, frankincense, and lavender. So I'm probably not going to put this on my face, which makes this already sort of a disappointing box given that this is the bulk of the value of the box. And it's something I'm not going to use in the intended application. I will probably add this to lotion and use it on my body though. Next item is from Pacifica. This is the glowing glycolic acid, orange, and vanilla makeup removing wipes. So even though there is obviously a noted fragrance in here, since it's a makeup removing wipe, it's something I'm probably going to use and then immediately after do a cleansing. So this is something I will use with the intended use, so I'm pretty excited about these. Actually, the other wipes that I have right now are also from a subscription box several months ago. I don't use wipes very frequently, so when I get them in a box, I actually get a decent amount of use from them. So these, like I said, are from Pacifica. They are $5 value. Not just great at removing makeup, these wipes brighten and exfoliate, remove dull skin for a radiant glow, gently wipe away makeup oils and impurities on face and neck, avoiding eyes. Those with sensitive skin can use it once or twice a week. I would say if you have sensitive skin, I'd avoid these altogether and get some that don't have fragrance in them. But if your skin is generally fine, these will probably be fine, especially if you're cleansing after. The next item we have is from Evely, and I have gotten this product in a different scent in a different box, and I'm not all that excited about it, to be honest, because it is a difficult lip balm to use. This is the Evely Lip Butter in Original or Blossom, and I got the Blossom, and it is a $5 value, handmade by women. This delicious lip butter only contains 6 ingredients, all ethically sourced and 100% pure plant-based, fast absorbing and non-greasy, perfect for healing cuts and damaged lips. Apply directly to lips as needed throughout the day for soft, smile-ready, kissable lips. So while I will use this since it came in the box, this is not something I would actively seek out to purchase. Since, like I said, I have another one. They do not stand up to heat well. Do not put this in your purse. Do not put this in your car. And they have these like little nodules in them of one of the ingredients that you kind of have to melt into your mouth, so applying them is not all that easy. It's kind of difficult. So I'm not a huge fan of the lip balm from Evely, but I will use it. The last product is from Balance Guru. It is a room and body smudge spray, cosmic herbal sage, sandalwood, lavender, chamomile, and lots of good vibes. And here's what the product looks like. Kind of a metallic label. I don't know if it'll focus well. And this is a $10 value, a wonderful smokeless smudge alternative for clearing energy and setting intention. Sage, sandalwood, and lavender essential oils infused with leaves and flowers to use as a room spray or body spray. It's a little strong. I'd probably only use this as room spray. Spray is needed and into the air and onto the body as an energetic cleanse, restore, and refresh, finished by setting intentions of love and happiness, used daily or as needed. I would say the balance of ingredients in this is really nice. It does smell good, but it is already leaking out of the package, which is kind of annoying. It is now on my fingers. But it is something I'll use, even though it's not that exciting. So we got through that in record time. I will say, in summation, I don't think this box is great. I'm not all that jazzed about it. It just wasn't an exciting box this month. I don't know why. I guess I just am not jazzed about facial skincare that has fragrant ingredients. And I've had this and don't care for it. I will use this in its exact intended form, so I'm not all that upset about that. And this doesn't feel like a beauty product to me. This feels like a room spray. This is like a lifestyle product. So overall, not... My camera cut off and I charged my battery for 5 minutes just to get this ending in. But as I was saying, these products just aren't all that exciting to me. The only one I'm gonna practically use and probably enjoy using in the capacity it's intended is the face wipes. So, and even then they're full of fragrance. But only a $10 value out of this box that should be giving me a much greater value than that. So I'm not all that jazzed about this box. It's kind of a giant flop for me. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you get the Vegancuts beauty box? Did you get these exact same products? Let me know what your opinion is. And as always, I will link to anything I'm wearing or something similar down below if you are interested. And I'll link to this box as well, or the subscription rather, as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you would like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise, I will talk to you all later. And I'm so glad we got through this super quickly, so I can get it out and published for y'all tomorrow. Yeah, bye!